If everything goes according to plan, the solar spacecraft will land on a flat plane just north of the Martian equator on November 26, and then spend at least 2 years studying the structure and inner composition of the red planet, in essence, taking the vital signs of Mars, its pulse, temperature and much more. The first exhaustive checkup since the planet was formed 4,500 million years ago. InSight, which is the abbreviation of Inner Exploration that uses Seismic Investigations, Geodesy and Heat Transport, will use 2 scientific instruments to do this work. 1. A seismometer called the Seismic Experiment for the Interior Structure SEIS, will detect and characterize the shaking events of the ground, such as the marsquakes and the impacts of the meteorites. The SEIS data will help scientists better understand the crust of the red planet, mission team member said. 6 is exquisitely sensitive and, as a result, must be placed inside a vacuum chamber to muffle noise. At the end of 2015, the mission team noticed a leak in this vacuum chamber. The problem could not be solved in time to comply with the original launch window of March 2016, delaying the takeoff in more than 2 years. Mars and Earth are favorably aligned for interplanetary missions once every 26 months. The other instrument, the HP3 Physical Heat and Properties Flow Package, will hammer up to 16.5 feet 5 meters below the red Earth and measure the amount of heat that flows down. This information will reveal a lot about the interior of the planet and how it has evolved over time, according to InSights scientists.